Hi designers, welcome to my channel. It's me Sharif Rahman, your Figma mentor. If you want to know more about me, you can search at sharifrahman.com and you can see a beautiful portfolio, and there's a call to action button. If you want to message me or give me a feedback, just hit that call to action button. So today we are going to discuss sticky scrolling. Sticky scrolling, I couldn't pronounce properly, but I hope so. This feature I have learned for that I watched several YouTube video, and all of the tutorial educators didn't teach me easily, but somehow I learned this feature from Figma official YouTube channel, and it's around 2 minutes, but I really hard to learn because I watched it several times and I just learned very effective method. So I will share you how you can create. Maybe sometimes you have exhausted creating this feature, but I will show you how you can create very easily. You can see I just created a sticky scrolling frame, and you can see a mobile UI here. I have a set of department designers, developers, art directors. So I just created this frame, our sticky scrolling feature. To demonstration, I'm just gonna present this file. For that, just select the frame and you can see present and preview. For this time, I'm just gonna select present so we can just explore the realistic prototype. So we can see here, this is our final prototype. You can see we have a UX Studio logo, and below you can see our department designers and other department is developers, and we have set of profile here. So you can see the designers department sticky at the top of the edge, and when we scroll we need to sticky the developers head of the top of the head or top edge of the head. So if I scroll, you can see the profiles are just moving behind the designers department. And even if the developers department reached or overlapped, designers have to sticky on the top of the edge. You can see when the overlap the designers on the developers department. You can see now this is immovable, and also you can see bottom of art directors. And if we scroll and reach of, if the reach of the head, the reach of the top, the art directors should be act like immovable. When reach top of the head, you can see this feature. I will show you how you can create your next project. So for that, I'm just gonna back to our Figma canvas board, and I'm just gonna duplicate this file for demonstrate how you can create this seamless experience for your audience or your next project. So you can see our frame, and we have header section and we have navigation bar. I'm just gonna drag our body frame is now under a frame, and we have our header and our navigation, and I'm just gonna select this frame and I just set as fixed stay in place because it's immovable. And also I just select scroll with parent. Instead, I'm just gonna select this is also a fixed stay in place because we don't need to scroll. We're always fixed in the same position. And select the frame. Always focus, always remember, you never set on your main frame. Always select no scrolling because we want to scroll this file, this area. Instead, we want to scroll this section. So main file never set on another feature. Instead, always make sure it's on no scrolling. Now we have just our frame area. I'm just gonna select and ungroup them, and you can see this is our elements, and we have department, and we have department profiles. These are profiles. This under auto layout, and always remember that this feature wouldn't work if you are adding this file on auto layout, and maybe you tried your department or sticky, you want to add a file on the sticky, so that file never on auto layout or frame. Instead, make sure them into group. So group only group section work on your sticky top of the head, and I will show you why it's that. So we have department, designers, developers, and design departments. And make sure if you are creating this feature, and we have said we need to designers on the top of the area and developers middle and art directors last. So when you are creating a sticky, always remember that you need to create this file disorderly. I don't know how to like, if you are creating this feature, you need to follow 3-2-1 rules. Like you are adding this design department on the top of the edge. So start the people, the front development, front area. You can see this designers department are first, but on your backend we need to set them last. So I will show you how this working. So I'm just gonna select all of the frame and convert them into frame selection and name the body, and just drag over here and set them 16 pixel, and you can see this is our frame selection, and we want to convert them into this area only. We want what only we want only display this area, and we have just drag our frame and apply the clip content. Now I'm just gonna, this will, if I apply the clip content and I'm drag over here, so it's invisible or it's disappearing other content. So we have set our frame, and now just select the body, and you can see this is our department. Our department we set on the top of the developers, and in here it's a bottom of the page, and developers department same, and it is select the body and vertical, and again select the department and set them sticky top of the edge. Now just present the file. Now you can see it's working. See, so remember, when you are creating this feature, always set this frame, always set on this under a frame, and your sticky file never set on your auto layout feature or frame feature. Instead, set them in group and reorder them. Like I said, once again I'm trying to explaining you. So the design department is we set on our initial scrolling section, but we set on the last, and the developers department in the middle we also set as same, and art directors in our bottom of the page, but we set on our top of the department, like 3-2-1. I'm trying to explaining you that. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, hit that like button. Also, it helpful, please share your Figma new wise designers. Thank you for watching with this video. Happy designing.